Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with Fun Stamper's Journey, and I want to welcome you to today's product spotlight video where I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble our double pocket card die set. And it looks like this. You're going to get the pocket die and 4 trim options. Now this die measures 11.5 inches wide, and so it fits perfectly into our 12 by 12 cardstock, but not all of us have that, so you can still use your 8.5 by 11. But what you'll want to do is you're going to want to line it up so that each side is going to be cut short by 1/8 of an inch. And this really won't affect the design at all because these are actually your adhesive tabs. So when you run it through, it's going to look like this. And as you can see, these tabs are a little bit shorter than the other adhesive tabs. So everywhere you see a scored line is where you're going to want to make your fold. So I like to use our crease tool to get a nice, crisp, clean fold. And you're going to need it with these double pockets because they can be tricky to line up at the end. So I'm going to fold the bottom tabs in. Now these tabs, because the score line is so close to the edge and it's a smaller tab, you are going to want to sort of push in maybe with your hand or even maybe your crease tool to just get an initial fold to kind of help guide that tab. Okay, there we go. Now that we have all of our tabs folded, we're going to assemble it, and you're going to assemble it in the shape of a Z. So the first fold, you're going to fold to the left, and the next fold is going to be to the right. So we're actually going to flip these adhesive tabs up in the other direction. Okay. Because this tab is a little shorter and because these are designed as pockets and you will have things put in them, you're going to want to use your craft glue. You can get a much stronger hold with that. So it can be kind of tricky when you're making your first pocket. It's really easy to get the paper a little skewed. So what I like to do is while I'm pressing down with my thumb is run my finger up along the edge to make sure that we're flush. And I do the same on this side. And because it's craft glue, you can manipulate it a little bit to make sure you're nice and straight. So I'm going to use a clip here to fold this, or to hold this in place. Okay, and now this second one, actually I can just undo this one for a second. We're going to add glue to make our second pocket. Okay. Once again, be careful to line these up nice and straight. And now you have your double pocket card. Now we can start using our trim pieces. So we have 4 options that come with this set. And what you do is you fold along the scored line. And these trims basically just slide in like that. Okay, so you have that look. Here's another one. And it would go like this. Now, when you're adhering these trims, you're going to want to put your glue on both sides so that you're going to glue it down in the front and in the back. You're going to slide it in and press down, and you can actually use another clip. Now, because we love to have more options, we actually have a coordinating die set called the Pocket Trims die set. And this comes with 4 more design options. So in case these first 4 doesn't do it for you, we've got 4 more to choose from, which this one right here, this small scallop one, is my absolute favorite. I use it pretty much on everything. So let me show you a pocket that I made. And here we have, like I mentioned, my absolute favorite, the small scallop on the Pocket Trims die set. And I've used some of our washi tape and some cute flowers. And this tag, you could actually put a gift card or something, maybe a personal message on this tag. This tag is actually from our steel rule die set called Tag Set, and it is the largest of 3, and it fits perfectly into these pockets. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I've inspired you to use your double pocket card die set. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to bring paper to life.